Good morning, students. Today's class we will start new chapter. Chapter 6, Formatting a Document. Okay, in the last class I have also explained about you MS Word features, how to start MS Word and different features of MS Word, and this chapter is also about MS Word features. Okay, now open your book, page number 45. So after making a document, okay, how can we do different formattings on that in MS Word? So formatting means changing the appearance of a document to make it attractive. So we can create and design appealing documents by changing font and its size, highlighting certain words, adjusting line spacing, setting margins. You can see all these things in this preview. Setting tabs, aligning text on page in different directions, creating bulleted or number lists like this, changing text styles and colors. So all are these called formatting. Formatting effects can be applied using the Home tab. So font formatting commands, font group, paragraph options in paragraph group, and text styles commands in styles group. Okay, now there is one next more point for you. On selecting text, a small pop-up window having the basic formatting commands buttons appear. So all the formattings in quick way you can do from this window. Now next is changing the font type. First formatting is how can we change the font type. Okay, different styles of writing. So when you open MS Word and start typing, the default font that appears is Times New Roman. It is the font name. So the character of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called fonts. So MS Word provides various types of fonts option. So you can see in the list. Now for applying fonts, so first you have to select the text, then click on Home tab. Then click on drop down arrow present next to the font style box, and there are list of different font styles. So select the desired font from the displayed font list and observe the change. Now there is another let's know to change the font size of font. You have to click on font size box drop down list in the font group and select any font size. There is no effect to highlight text. Select it, then click on text highlight tool and select any color. Next, observe the change. Now, next topic is applying bold, italic and underline. So how can we apply? Bold means we can darken the font, italic and underline. The options of boldface, italic and underline are used to emphasize the text and catch the reader's attention. For this, first you have to select the text, then click on these three buttons, B for bold, I for italic and U for underline the text. So in the front group on the Home tab, you can see these three buttons. So when we boldface the selected text, the word make is darker than the rest of the text. So and italicizing emphasize text by slanting it to the right side. And underline allow us to emphasize text by placing a line under it. So we can underline a word, sentence along with space also. So MS Word provides a variety of formatting options which can be selected from the font dialog box on the Home tab. Next is how can we change text alignment. Okay, when we are doing typing, so we can set the text alignment in different directions. So alignment refers to the positioning of text on a page. So we should set the alignments before we begin typing. So we can also select an entire document and after that we can change the alignment text also. So MS Word provides 4 types of alignments: align left, align center, align right, and align justify. So align text left means place all the selected text to the left margin. So by default text is always aligned to the left margin. This is a by default setting. So and center align, set the text in the center of the left and right margin. It is mostly used for titles and headings, okay, that we are already typed, and after we can select, we can apply these alignments. So align text right, align all the selected text to the right margin. It is often used for placing dates or references for this. And justify align, it places the text evenly between the left and right margins. Okay, it spread the text according to the space. So it is mainly used for designing books, magazines, and newspapers. So how to align? So follow the steps. First you have to select the text, then click on a desired alignment button in the paragraph group. Next, observe the change in the alignment. We can see. So we can also change the type align by clicking on the page layout tab. Then click on paragraph dialog box launcher. So window will open. Now you can do all the settings, and you can select the alignments from this drop down box also. So select the required alignment by clicking the drop down arrow next to the alignment option under general section. Now there is another let's know more. So redo button on the quick access toolbar. You can see you can also be used as a repeat typing tool to rewrite a previously typed word. Next is how can we change color of the text. This is also the part of the formatting. So MS Word provides an option to change the color of the text. You can see first for applying and for changing the text color. First you have to select the text, then click on Home tab. Then click the drop down arrow next to the font color on the Home tab. Then select the desired color from the display font color menu. Okay, like this we can change the color. So we have done different formatting like font. We can change the font type. We can apply bold, italic and underline. Changing text alignments, 4 alignments, align text left, center align, text right align and justify align. And changing color of the text. Okay, so first you have to read this chapter again. Okay, page number 45 and 46 we have done, and try to do practical practice of MS Word and different formatting changing. Type one paragraph or take any book and type one paragraph and try to do applying all the formatting effects. So that's all for today's class. Next topic we will do in the next class. Now I will give you homework for today.